Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Forget the old days of just chasing a pretty equity curve. The AI era has thrown a massive wrench into quantitative trading. It's not enough for a strategy to look good. It needs to be provable, reviewable, and explainable. That's where this thing comes in. So, what exactly is this QuantTrade RiskLab? Think of it as your ultimate research command center for building and scrutinizing trading strategies in the age of AI. It's not just another backtester. It's a whole ecosystem. It takes your brilliant idea, links it directly to the data you used, the assumptions you made, the features you engineered, the backtest results, the risk checks, even your simulated trades and human review notes. Everything flows together in one chain. No more hiding behind a single attractive chart while ignoring the messy but crucial details like data bias, parameter tuning, transaction costs, or why that weird drawdown happened. This lab forces transparency. It's about moving from "does this look profitable" to "can we trust this process?" Okay, so why should you care? What makes this thing special? 3 big reasons. First, it puts everything in one place. Data sources, time ranges, feature engineering, commission, slippage, benchmark, all registered upfront. No more vague recollections or lost configuration files. Second, it gives you a unified view of performance. Returns, maximum drawdown, volatility, turnover, out-of-sample results, parameter sensitivity, it lays it all bare, helping you spot overfitting, survivorship bias, or any other statistical gremlins. Third, and this is huge, it connects the simulated trading results directly to the risk review, human interpretation, and the entire research record. This shifts the conversation from "does the curve look good?" to "are the assumptions robust? Is the experiment credible? What are the real risks?" For teaching, teamwork, or just serious research, this structure is gold. No more fragmented screenshots and informal chats. Everyone works from the same solid material. Let's walk through how you actually use this thing. It starts simple. You have a trading idea. You jot down the motivation, the market it applies to, the expected logic. Then, you meticulously register your data source, the sample interval, and how you cleaned it. Next, you define your strategy assumptions, configure feature engineering, set your parameter range, account for transaction costs, and specify backtesting conditions. Hit run, and the system crunches the numbers. But it doesn't just give you a final number. It summarizes key metrics: returns, drawdowns, stability, turnover, risk exposure, abnormal fluctuations, while keeping all the supporting evidence, out-of-sample tests, parameter sensitivity analysis, simulated trading logs readily available for later review. At the end, you get a complete research record, data description, assumption description, experiment logs, risk notes, human review opinions, and suggestions for improvement. It turns isolated code into a discussable, auditable evidence chain. Perfect for teaching, experimentation, and ensuring governance, especially when AI is involved. So, what's the big takeaway? This isn't just another piece of software. It represents a fundamental shift in how we approach quantitative trading research, especially in the AI era. It pushes us away from isolated code snippets towards a transparent, evidence-based, and discussable process. Whether you're teaching, experimenting, or dealing with regulatory scrutiny, this framework helps ensure your work stands up to serious examination.